Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're the Caper couple. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, smash that like button. And today we have Raj with us again, and we're heading down to the north side of the island, guys. Right now we're on the top of Kelly's Mountain, and we have a beautiful view. So I'm going to flip the cam, show you this, and we're going to hop in the car and take off. So check that out, guys. I'm now filming with the new Femi Palm. Pretty cool, isn't it? It's one of the most amazing views on our island. This is the second look off on coming down Kelly's Mountain towards Englishtown. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So with that being said, guys, we're going to hop back in the car and we'll catch you guys when we hit our next stop. See you then. Peace. So, hey guys, we're back and we're now on the Englishtown ferry. Just waiting to cross and we'll head our way out. We're just moving now. Just started. So, there you go. It's the ferry. There's all kinds of cars on it today, and the ride is free because of COVID-19. So I guess we'll catch you back at our next stop, guys. See you then. Peace. Hey, what's up, guys? We're back after close to 3 hours on the road now. We ran into a beautiful spot called Lackies Head. So we're going to head down this little trail here, and we're going to show you guys around. So here's your view, guys. It's just off of the side of the highway. We're coming towards the northern tip of the island. Nice. Absolutely beautiful. So if there are no drone laws right here, guys, actually no, I don't think I can put it up here. I'll check it. If I can throw the drone up here, guys, I'll get you guys an awesome view. But I may not be able to because we're pretty close to the Cape Breton Highlands. But even so, if I can't, guys, just check that out. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful spot. It's amazing here. Absolutely amazing. I just had to stop when I seen this coming up. Just take a gander. It's a wicked spot. We would advise you guys, if you're ever here on the island, to stop here, check the place out.
Yeah, it's beautiful here.
It's absolutely beautiful, and there's actually signs posted here, guys, of watching out for rogue waves, because apparently, watch this. See those rocks? Apparently the rogue waves will come right up over those rocks and nail you.
Yeah.
So with that being said, guys, we're going to head on out here. So until the next one, subscribe to our channel, comment down below. Make sure your notifications are on, guys. Smash that like button.
Yeah, smash it.
And until the next time.
Catch you later.
Bye, guys. Peace.